If at all you're going completely astray, you have a director who can pull the strings back and stick to this. But normally I improvise. I like to play around with the character. My family is my biggest critique. वो तो मुंह पे बोलते हैं कि नहीं बहुत ही गंदा काम किया तुमने. So it's like you. Then I say, okay, fine. Like if they are saying something, so they know me since childhood and they know my habits and pattern and how I think and how I put.
अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे बो 80-90 पूरे 100. 80-90 पूरे 100. जी हाँ दोस्तों, 80-90 पूरे 100 एक उल्लू प्यारी सीरीज है जिसमें आप देखने वाले हैं एक ऐसे कलाकार को जिनको आपने हमेशा टेलीविजन में एक बहुत ही रोमांटिक रोल या फिर ये कहें चॉकलेट बॉय इमेज निभाते हुए देखा है, और वो है राकेश बापट. जी हाँ दोस्तों, तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं राकेश को और जानते हैं 80-90 पूरे 100 के पीछे की इस कहानी के बारे में.
राकेश, पहले तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका टेली चक्कर में. कंग्रेचुलेशन. 80-90 पूरे 100 काफी ज्यादा प्रॉमिसिंग और काफी ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग लगता है. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट इट?
It is. मतलब ये रोल लेते हुए भी मुझे बहुत कंफ्यूजन था दिमाग में जब डायरेक्टर से मिला था पहली बार. तो it's a very different role that I've ever done. I've always had this chocolate boy, romantic boy next door kind of roles that I have always taken up. But ये रोल कुछ रियल लाइफ पे बेस्ड था और इट्स सच अ ग्रूसम कैरेक्टर, मल्टी लेयर्ड कैरेक्टर. और उसमें उसको निभाना मतलब इसके लिए मेरे लिए बहुत कंफ्यूजन था पहले दिन से. पर एक्चुअली व्हेन आई वेंट ऑन द सेट देन एवरीथिंग वाज क्लियर. द डायरेक्टर वाज सो ट्रेलर भी वैसे ही है. कंफ्यूजन है उसमें कि हू डन इट, जो क्राइम मर्डर एक सस्पेंस होता है, वैसा एक है दिखाया गया है ट्रेलर में. आई लव द ट्रेलर बिकॉज इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ डायरेक्टर टू कट द ट्रेलर कि किसी को सीधा मतलब समझ में नहीं आना चाहिए क्या हो रहा है. मतलब देयर हैज टू बी एन एलिमेंट ऑफ मिस्ट्री टू इट. तो आई थिंक अच्छी तरह मिस्ट्री लाने की कोशिश की डायरेक्टर के साथ हमारे. तो आई मीन बट कंफ्यूजन इज ऑलवेज गुड. गिव्स यू समथिंग टू थिंक अबाउट.
So for you, how difficult was the character? Because as you just said, आपका normal chocolate boy romantic image से बहुत ही अलग है. How difficult was it?
Overall, it was difficult. It was something that, as I said, we have not done something like this ever. And it is something which is आम जिंदगी में हम ऐसे किरदार कभी करते नहीं और ना ही कभी चीजें मैंने खुद देखी है सामने. तो ऑब्वियसली ये इसका प्रेपरेशन बहुत अलग था. बिकॉज यूट्यूब पे जो रियल जो क्रिमिनल्स है उनके भी फुटेज मैंने देखे और इट वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट. कि एक गुस्सा भी था कि बहुत गुस्सा था कि ऐसी कोई चीज हुई है रियल लाइफ में और उसको मैं कैसे दर्शाऊं. बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट कन्विंस्ड, आई वाज नॉट फॉर इट एज आई सेड. बट एज एन एक्टर आई हैव टू बी सो कन्विंसिंग इन द कैरेक्टर बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग अ स्टोरी टू द ऑडियंस. एंड अगर मैं कन्विंस नहीं तो ऑडियंस भी तब कन्विंस नहीं. But as I said, the team was so well prepared and there was so much of research which had gone into the whole scheme of things, So it was easy for me as an actor to get into the character. So yeah, I mean, it's a team effort. Character में ढलना किसी actor को भी या कोई भी किरदार निभाना, it is very important that you get the right scaffolding, you get the right team with you, and half of the battle is won.
No, but then I would really want to know one thing that, many actors, they take back their characters home. If you take back a romantic character home, it's no big deal. Your partner is all favored. But then if you take back such a character home, was it like that you took back your characters home or did you leave them on the floors itself? And how did you have that on and off switch in you, Rakesh?
I normally don't. I'm as I said, like I thankfully I don't take this character home because I would be in a problem. So I don't actually. I think over the period of time I've become a sorted out person, especially where acting is concerned or being in front of the camera. Because I do not take anything back home, is because I want to. There's a novelty of living a character for that particular time in front of the camera. Because then, if you get used to a certain time, because whatever you start taking things for granted. Because there's no newness to it. There is no, you look forward to the next day going to the set and, being suddenly transforming into that character. So it is very important to disconnect and disconnect because that's the beauty of it. When you disconnect and you come back to it, you come back with new energy. So that's why I always believe that that's why I don't take the characters home. Because I look forward to the next day. But the next day is a new day again. So I like that whole process. Normally, I'm not into the method type of an acting. It's not something which is by the book kind of an acting. Um, I leave it. I get out and I get it.
Do you believe in improvisation, or do you prefer following what is written on the script, to the T?
I always believe in improvisation. I never see. I always feel that script is a guideline. Like मुद्दा क्या है वो आप समझ जाओ. So you don't need to actually stick to word. Yes, if you have a script which is like it's not colloquial. It's like something which is like a historical or something which has got a particular pattern or a structure of the language as such. Then you have to stick to word. But normally you don't stick to word as in if you're playing a role which is today's or जो आम जिंदगी में आम जो बातें करते हैं वैसे अगर होगा तो you have to understand and then go by it. And then if at all you're going completely astray, you have a director who can pull the strings back and stick to this. But normally I improvise. I like to play around with the character. I like to give my inputs. That's why me as an actor comes in place, because I bring in my style also.
Okay, 80-90 Pure So. If I would say that, one X factor that instantly made you say yes for such a role, because it's a very tough one, and also alongside with it, one such scene in the whole series that you think that when the fans are going to watch the series, they're going to love it. They're going to actually like that complete thing in it, that one scene. Wo kaun sa hoga?
In this show, there's a lot of courtroom drama. A lot of things which happened in the court, which was real facts. They tried to show what exactly happened that time. And I'd never done any courtroom drama kind of scene. Like I never was in a position where I was questioned in the courtroom. And it's chilling, actually when you're in the courtroom or even when on the set, it's a chilling experience. So वो scene में एक scene है जो आप देखोगे series में courtroom में there's a huge monologue of mine, and I got so into the character while I was doing it. Normally director would want another take and all that, but it was a huge monologue and it just happened. I don't know how it came out, but it was just like a 2-3 pager, and it just one take, and it was fine, and I got an applaud after the take happened in the court, and there was a court full of people, and it was for that moment was for me like shit, kaise ho gaya? Suddenly it's like you say Jackie Robinson and it's done and it's come out really nice. That's what people told me. I think that scene I'm looking forward to. I mean, that comes on and off in the web series.
Who's that one person who's very difficult to please about your work? And what was their reaction to this series when they saw you in this character? Like, the whole promo of it. How did they react?
I'm the biggest critic, as I said. Like I think more than me, there's nobody else. I actually take anybody seriously as such. Yes, I do take criticism from people. My family is my biggest critic. वो तो मुंह पे बोलते हैं कि नहीं बहुत ही गंदा काम किया तुमने. So it's like then I say okay fine. Like if they are saying something, because they know me since childhood and they know my habits and pattern and how I think and how I put. They know my facial expressions also when I'm natural and I'm not natural. Because normally they told me if you don't act from your soul, we can see that you're just acting. So and who else more than your family knows this aspect about it. So इसमें अच्छा response मिला. I mean, my family liked the trailer. They liked एक ही कहा कि उन्होंने शायद थोड़ा कहा कि ठहराव है इसमें तुम्हारे क्या. So वो सुन के अच्छा लगता है कि अपने लोग जब कहते हैं कि एक honest opinion जब आप.
Okay, one here, another thing I just came in my head. How difficult has it been for you, being the picky one, choosing the quality work over the quantity work in the industry, Rakesh?
It is not easy to just, wait for the right role, because you are an actor and you're full of energy, like you want to be in front of the camera. As I said, I live my life. An actor normally lives his life entire life between that action and cut, because that's something he really looks forward to. He loves to be in front of the camera. That's what the life that we have chosen, to be in. So it's very difficult to take a step back and you have to get an overview of the things that you're surrounded with. And so it's difficult to sit home, do something else, because I am a person who keeps doing a lot of stuff. Like I am an artist. It's not that something which अगर a lot of people I've seen, like कि patience नहीं होता है, काम नहीं है तो shit, I'm out of the business or I'm like probably out of sight, out of mind हो जाऊंगा. But I don't think like that. I've always been choosy about my work. I've always been, and I've been learning. Like in the beginning, I never considered myself a great actor because I was just pushed into this field. Because I started when I was hardly 19 or 20. So modeling, Mr. India, Mr. World, but Tumbin suddenly aa gayi. So it was somewhere I never got a time to prepare myself as an actor. I was lucky, but I was, like coming back to the question, I am choosing because I don't want. As I said, I was not ready also for bigger roles, challenging roles. I took my time. That's why I took a back seat and I said I need to improve on my skills first before I say yes or no to any work. So somewhere experience also makes you a little better person. And today I feel, after so many years of being in this industry, it's been like almost 20, 21 years that I've been in this industry. And I still feel that, there is still growth, there's still to learn. But I choose my roles now because I'm very little more, I'm clever now to understanding what I need to have in my life, what excites me in front of the camera. So that's why footage, for me, impact is important than the footage. So I don't normally, but there are a lot of television offers that I get, a lot of things which I feel for me, it's not my style or it's run of the mill for me, which I'm not convinced doing. I will never go ahead. So yes, I like being this way. I like to be choosy. I like to because acting is all about the soul, and if the soul is not transparent, it's not convincing. Then nothing can help you. Again, you will make the same mistakes that you've made before. So life has to change and go on, and you have to make the right decision out of the learnings that you have had in life. So yeah, it's difficult, yes, but it is a good process. If you wait, sabr ka phal meetha hota hai hamesha. So I think that's the classic thing.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you, Rakesh. I wish you all the luck for this series.
Thank you so much. Lovely talking. Take care.
Same here. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching this interesting या ये कहूँ candid chat session with राकेश बापट, जहाँ पे उन्होंने अपने करियर से लेकर अपनी सीरीज के बारे में अच्छे से डिटेल में बात करी है. well, आप लोग हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि आप क्या सोचते हैं 80-90 पूरे 100 के बारे में. एंड ऑल्सो राकेश बापट को इस अनोखे किरदार में या ये कहे एक बहुत ही नेगेटिव, एक बहुत ही मेंटली अनस्टेबल या फिर एक बहुत ही डरावने किरदार में देखकर. Until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. You stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.